Electrolux Renaissance. I got this as a birthday present for myself last year. I got it from a vacuum shop. They had serviced it when I got it. The power head neck was shorting, so they sent me a new power head. So that's all taken care of. It works very well. Overall, I still prefer the older all metal Electroluxes over this, just because I think they're lighter and easier to use. They also use better motors. But I'll give this a quick run and then I'll talk a little more about the machine. I'm going to run it on all 3 speed settings: high speed for floors, medium speed for upholstery, and low speed for drapes. And then you have your switch for the just the canister unit and then the power head. So it's a relatively quiet machine. So here's a closer look at it. Just like the old metal Electroluxes, it has the blower right here. The power head, you can see it's missing some of the grades. Right here, there's supposed to be a little grade, but that's gone. I do like that this is a newer Electrolux brush roll that's fully tufted, so it cleans carpet better than some of the older brush rolls on Electroluxes. Hose is in good shape, doesn't have any tears on it. I printed out the owner's manual, as I mentioned before, online. This is the Sidekick, but this came from a Guardian. Still uses the still fits the Guardian hose, because they both have the same hose ends. That's just a generic floor tool with an adapter, so I could use this with this vacuum if I wanted to. As you can see, this is the main body of the canister. Lift this up, you have your dusting brush, upholstery tool, and your crevice tool. They replaced the filter with a generic post-motor filter from EnviroCare. You can see there's some dirt on that. That is carbon brush dust. That is not actual dirt. I'm using HEPA bags in the machine, which filter out virtually all fine dust. So there's really not much escaping this vacuum besides a little bit of carbon brush dust. So this is a bag that I made for it. You can see this is the Style R bag, but the actual paper bag came from Clean Obsessed generic C bag. Clean Obsessed is made by Perfect. It's identical to Perfect Power Team, except it's a commercial model canister. So overall, I really like this vacuum. I still prefer older metal Electroluxes just because I think they're easier overall to use, more reliable. They have a better motor, but this is still a very nice vacuum. It has a lot of power, and with enough maintenance, they can last a decent amount of time. So I guess I really have nothing else to say about this Electrolux Renaissance besides that it is a really good vacuum. It was the first of the Electroluxes to use the hose with the power controls on the handle, which were a little bit meddlesome. So again, that's another reason why I'm not the biggest fan of these Electroluxes, but it's still a really good vacuum for a vacuum that was made over 20 years ago now. So that is the Electrolux Renaissance. I hope you enjoyed the video.